All right, my people, una good afternoon. Welcome to na show Paddy Paddy. I know say una go dey wonder where my Mayowa go, but today na me dey in charge, na me dey on board. You not understand? You know say, okay, before I continue my story, I introduce the person where they beside me. How far la?
Yo, so you do neck like this, they do neck like they say they plank you for next, say one thing. Mona show me, what's wrong to you?
You don't happy now. I feel waiting in my mind.
Wait, so you first do introduction. Wait, why you go tell them good afternoon?
Not be afternoon. When sun don't they shine, not be afternoon.
Why say be afternoon?
Sun
no be still to 12 be this.
I beg you. You know they see, you know they feel it.
You and your Tiwa Savage face.
I beg, I not be Tiwa Savage. I be Olive. I get one just what I want to tell you now. For this life, never say never. You feel they say you be small girl, you be 21 years old, they say I not feel married man because he's too short. I not feel follow man because he not get money. My sister, when something owe you, when you don't advance for age, your prayer point go change. You say, God, anyone I accept. On top of this show, now this man here, Rick, say he not go ever bring me come. My brothers and my sisters. Look at me here today.
Wait, first.
As retaliation, I won't open Ogbolor secret. Ogbolor failed music career. When I look this small video, when I understand what I talk.
Which musical video?
Your failed career.
Make we dey see now.
Make we dey look out.
No, not plan today.
Now, what did Ogbolor go do before? He not succeed for life. That make it come work.
My sister, where you go see that video come out from? You are a bad somebody.
I'm a boss.
You are a wicked somebody.
I'm a boss. I know how we.
That they go to do me, huh? You know what? It's all right. It not still work. It not still work. But any which way, now only go follow me sit down on top of the show today. Me and she go dey fight because me and I see. I don't talk before say we no carry and come this show again because you all are plenty.
I know they fear you.
Plenty.
Bring it on.
But all the same, you know, we go do it because yesterday night International Women's Day. Based on that particular one, this week I'll just be nice to only because you follow me sit down one full week.
Aww.
Ha! Mayowa.
You know, say me and Mayowa dey the same coven.
Una dey the same coven.
Mayowa our mother confessor.
Una be different position now.
Nah, she be my senior. I agree. Me with Mayowa not be mates.
But anyway, you are quick on the show. Anyhow you like to do, you can just misbehave and carry on like that.
Thank you very much.
But now welcome again on top Paddy Paddy show, ladies and men to join. You know as they be like this now. How now we can take be. Different things happen for the weekend. Plenty events and every. We say congratulations to all our guys that we celebrate during the weekend. Eagles and everybody. But on top of this level like this, we need to continue with the show. All right, on top yarn the yarn. So when they come back, when we come back now, start yarn the yarn and every. Mark continue. You know what I'm saying? Like duh. We're coming back.
Yeah.
I know my love. I'm holding on forever, reaching for the love that seems so far.
Very ugly somebody.
Oh, but that girl, nice. My guy here, first babe, the relationship no can work out. Now she consider that song as special dedication of love. Yet this wicked man no agree. All
At
right.
the end of the day, for that progress, you know, everybody has their own kind of face. You know, you come with a spiritually evil face. Anyone will walk, you understand me now. But for some of us, we like pretty, you know, pretty people.
Now you make you get me pretty on top of the show. I bet we enter and the Jare. The person we want yarn about today in name na Azados. For those of you where they born for 1995, una fit not know him. But for those of these people like ancient of days like Ogbolor, you know Azados. You is the one, Tim really feral. Can't you see the arrow of your love? Oh my, don't tell what we hear about that boy.
My brother, my sister.
I be like, man, why they call me my brother?
You get muscle for body now, you don't know.
Nice one, 1-0.
Yeta.
All right, Azados talk say crime no day for person today broke. The interview in talk say we know they hear about him for a very long time now, and people they talk say in day broke. Say people where they talk say in day broke, you know bad though, maybe they can't give him money. You don't understand. He can talk say at least in thank God say they take care of him family. Say for person today broke, no be crime. Say no be offense. Say he know when he commit offense for the country and being broke is not one of them. He can't talk say even Greece and some other countries, they self don't they broke at some point. So may nobody can they talk about in personal life and waiting concern them. In talk say in career never fail, until he don't die. Say a failed career now belong to person wey don't die. So he say when someone don't die, there is no hope. But as long as the person never die, see opportunity still there for the person to get back on top. What do you think about this kind of stuff?
As I don't say, any which way, see the whole level like this, forget. There's everything wrong with being broke.
My bro.
Poverty is not a good thing.
It's a disease, oh.
Yeah? Because
disease,
like this, see, I tell you something, make I tell you something. Look, when money day, you go understand say this life, they take another form. You know I go Bahamas?
Oh, my not get
What's
what
wrong with you?
my friend tell me. She say, it dey better. May you dey cry inside Range Rover Sport than may you dey happy on top bicycle.
Exactly now. Now your day one place, they form suffer. You say everybody when they inside hot, now they enjoy say the attack there is very okay for them.
What's
wrong
okay,
about you? Sometimes you just like to just money is gold.
What are you not talking?
Money is wonderful. As I if things just fall press you, accept your fate like that.
You don't see the way your Ogbolor dress now.
You understand me
if
now?
to say money there, not for the dress like this, not even for the dress like mate for MVCA.
You understand?
But now they wear all this kind.
What is it like everything?
Nothing.
What you talk just now?
I say if to say money day,
yes.
for the dress like your mates, we catch up go MVCA. For now they wear all this your second clothes.
Forget it. All those ones that we go MVCA. You know they say they borrow clothes.
Oh,
now people they can't carry cloth give them and say styling. Everybody they borrow. Forget it. You see all of them, then they buy their clothes. Forget it. They are deceiving you, people. That's all you get now. That's how they take the deceive all of you now. Finish. Next time you follow them go out.
Who they follow them go out?
No, I'm not talking anything. No.
I
won't get old leave. Sorry. Sorry. Wait, they worry you. Your name just jumped off my mouth.
You too like me now.
All right, for my own just for yarn the yarn. Hey, on my with me. But I'm belly.
I hear say one day say she go bank, say they come tell and say the manager they call her. Say she can't go see the manager, now the manager come tell and say, sorry, what is the meaning of bottom belly?
Of all things to ask.
Of all things to ask.
Anyway, she don't come out now, come talk say, man, she get reason why she dey like to be private with her life these days. Sake of say, because before now, she can like to hear gist. She like gossip until she can't fall victim. Me now, if you notice her life now, you know to the see him everywhere, not to the hear of him anyhow. Even the man when she marry herself, she no can reveal am to everybody quick because she say she won't make her life dey very, very private. As entertainer where she be, if originally your music don't put you outside there, that means you on your own need to find ways to keep every other thing private.
And that's not easy.
It's not easy, but it's a very, very important thing because once your life the public eye like this, they go talk the good, they go talk the bad, the ugly, they go lie join. You understand? Even if they can't ask a question about say when her pikin when she dey expect whether na boy or be na girl. She say even she not know, but if she knows that she not go tell anybody. They ask plenty question on top of the interview she gets recently. Even the one when they talk say she been get one kind of small affair with Delta State governor. She say,
my governor.
Whoever that person be, person must be an idiot.
My own governor.
She can't say na lie, you no mind bad people who want to spoil her name. They even ask her whether she be a violent person. She said, no, I'm not violent. I'm physical.
Oh, yes.
I'm not violent. Let me say, I had a form violence, but I feel shake you like this.
If you touch me, I'll show you.
I'll shake you small, you know.
Okay.
So, but she talked plenty things. They asked her plenty questions, but she say, long and short of the whole gist, we say she won't do her best possible to make sure say her life is a private life now. It's nobody's business.
Oh, yes.
Whatever it's how I'm doing with my life, you know.
But when we talk true, she don't really try because to the entertainment industry,
Not
you know,
be
they
smart,
easy.
you know.
Your life, they're very public. And some of them not even they help matters. Because at the end of the day, they'll sit down beside person in Range Rover Sports, they'll snap picture, not be then get mood. So before you know, they'll come put them on top Instagram. People go, they say, this one don't buy a new Range Rover.
Some they use the last card that they even get.
You understand?
Just to buy things to put for on top.
To impress. And if some people,
So
I'm not sure if
thing.
people they commit suicide because of Instagram life. You go, they see people, you feel say their lives they perfect. You know they perfect.
So now we always look picture.
They like
not
up and down.
everything that glitters is gold, though.
It's not a gold.
Not be everything is a goldy something. No, it's not a sparkling something. No, be careful. Some aluminium, please. All right. So for this one now, we just match break for you. By the time we come back, we continue on top yarn the yarn.
I want drink coffee. I beg go give me coffee.
I want drink waiting.
Coffee.
Agbodi for back of camera. They wait for coffee.
Thing.
Will they come back, Jerry? Coffee call. Agboni.
Coffee.
ladies and men to jail now. Welcome back now. Still on top of the Party Party Show.
Oh, yeah. Guys, shut up. You know how to sing.
Not the form falling off hand for you.
You know, say me don't go sing for song. You hear
Oh
the
yeah,
gist
sing,
now.
sing something, sing. Just sing something.
Wait, I don't
Sing.
go sing for somewhere. They spray me $100.
Wait,
How many they don't spray
that
you
one at
before?
least forget. They pay us to do this thing. Not be spray. They pay us to do this thing. Say, guy, I'm gonna take this amount to do this thing.
Wait till I rap.
Sing for them. Not they do it. Not be
I won't
rap.
rap.
I don't say make you rap. Sing, sing something.
Which song I'll sing?
Any song.
Before the end of the show, I'll sing.
Not the end of the show. Sing now.
Show man sing and man not sing.
Sing her now.
Give me the song man sing now.
Sing. What thing they do this girl now? Sing any song now.
This song. I'm trying to find the right key. The
Not
keyboard
speak
is-
English anything.
The keyboard is not there here. I'm not fixing without keyboard.
See your life.
No way, I'll sing
I sing
tomorrow.
now. They say I can get wrong voice.
I'll sing tomorrow.
Party, 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 baby, party, party, party,
Let me
party,
sing my own.
party. Not sing anything. More talk. I don't give them.
I won't sing now. You know, Grace. You don't
Party,
do my
party,
You don't do
party,
yan this yan, Jare.
party, party.
Okay, I get story for now.
Yo.
This kind of story go make you forget this party party where they sing. Now bad story. You know, say for this world where we day, you marry, you know, born picking and trouble. Now we get one man from Abia State. He say his name now Annie. Abia State. He come marry one woman from another one where they call Joy. She come from the same Abia State. Now these two people never get picking. Oh, he marry one first one. They not get picking. He come marry another second one. The second one where he marry now from his state. The first one now from Ebonyi State. You know, say because this man does suffer. He not get money. He does suffer. In wife can't get belle in second wife. Instead of him to go hustle to happy say at least I don't get picking after 3 years of marriage to my first wife, which she not give me picking. This one don't give me picking. This man can't plan with the first wife, make them go sell the picking of the second wife. Now so they can't deceive the woman, tell her say make she carry the picking, come Lagos, she come Lagos, they can't lodge her for hotel. The lodger finish for hotel. 4 days now they lock the woman inside the hotel. Now the hotel people can't look say, oh boy, be like say this door never open for the past 4 days, so they can't break the door. As they break the door, now they see the woman, she don't almost die. Now they can't trace so before they can't catch the man. The man say, him think, say he don't think in poverty, say he can't realize, say since the baby now his own, say if he do whatever, he say, I realize I could do whatever I wanted. Now say if he do anything with the picking, who tell you say the picking are your own? Now God they give people picking. People they will say that they find this gift where you want sell for how much? 500,000 naira. Now 500,000 naira, now you want make your life better. Now you want change your life forever. Now you want take away your poverty.
That means the guy.
That man that cost to
That
manhood.
means that kind of person. If he just cut in hand one day, when the 500K finish, if he just one day just look say, if I say I go to sell one of my property, boom, just give yourself short sleeve.
And you know, say the funny thing is, I shock say now woman now do this kind of thing because we women we they very compassionate. I don't realize this. They say in this. I know say we be women on international women they will still they the spirit of. But make we they try to behave ourselves, we women. I don't understand why a fellow woman go see another woman picking you won't console her.
My sister.
That's how you do you.
The days you are evil, oh. The days you are evil. The days you are evil. If person fit selling old picking, who be your picking when they don't fit sell?
Nah,
The
wow.
person just wake up one day. So please make everybody just be very, very careful. You see any baby just the pass. I beg, they careful, oh.
They don't already catch the person way by the picking. Luckily for us, they don't catch
because
the
for
person.
this whole equation now, person they we selling own picking, the other woman they will connive with the man, they selling picking too. The person they will come buy the picking too.
Exactly, three people.
So not be everybody way you see they okay. We are telling everybody, oh leave, be careful,
They say-
leave. They careful, oh.
Wetin
Not be
happen?
be careful, oh.
They say some are mad that be the rest are room. I bet they say they talk am.
don't
Some
know.
people they craze. Now only few they. Many people they craze. Now only few they street. You get somewhere be say you fit even follow them. They sit down like this. The way I sit down with Ogbolor. If you follow and they sit down, now you know say don't they craze like this.
Okay,
They don't the right craze for forehead. Like Ogbolor forehead now normal.
I don't blame you. Now they will carry you come this place. You not they okay. All right. Okay, we get one video where we go soon play very, very soon of this very colossus girl who sit down near me. But after I talk this particular gist, then we will knock that video. You will see your life. You will see your life. Okay, or just for sake of paparazzi and everything, we'll knock the video now.
Are you kidding
Then you will
me?
see this girl in another pattern of deliverance ministries. We'll see the video. have come to Lagos to want to front. Disclaimer waiting. It's you.
I go sue the producer of this show for defamation of character.
Come on there.
You can't defame my character.
Defame waiting.
Not be me.
You want to tell us you be lawyer and disclaimer of what?
First of all, I'm not short like that girl.
You waiting.
Second of all, I hot pass that girl.
I take hot pass.
Third of all, I know Mumu reach that girl.
I no say you hot pass. You come out. Make a no talk. Now morning show be this show.
I
make you just come out things now.
Which things you want?
You know, you see when they call that thing again. Something.
You don't even know the name. Who can be the village boy? Now escalator. You don't know him.
Escalator. You think you are going like this? See this village girl? You do like this. One leg. Disgrace everybody for that place.
Now because I play that video where we say in the full himself for a musical career, you won't come pay me back. Well, but my people, when I know say, not be me be that girl.
Quiet your mouth. All right, make I talk this last one sharply. Hey, anything can happen for this world. Anything can happen for this world. One man who waka go England, go find some kind of hustle many years back. As he reached England, he can't be say he no can go back to Australia where he come from originally. And the man says, okay, make him work for airport small. Airport where they say make him hustle, make him gather money to go back to his country, Australia. They can't thief the money we don't arrange together plus in wallet and everything. Now the guy reason and say, come, there is wisdom in the above. I can apply a wisdom upon my head and we see how things will take go. Now so the guy tell reason he can go build one big box. Build the big box finish. Come put himself inside. Come post himself to his country.
Yes.
So he come there inside the box, travel all the way from England to Australia.
Wow.
My sister, the guy say inside that box, now they were with all the load inside the aeroplane. Now they till he land Australia. Boom. He say, he no fear shishi because he must reach house. This one they tell you, say anything you think you can do in this world, you can achieve it.
Oh yes.
He said, chances for this thing to happen again for this world. If he not there again, no.
Sure, you have that.
But he only don't do it own, jeje.
You have that picking where be say himself hang on to.
From Benin now, from Benin land Lagos.
The guy won't change.
They come promised land now. Yeah, now the remaining children
for
Benin.
You have the people where they go Mars.
For Mars.
100 people won't go live for Mars.
My sister, now that one don't want to go to Mars. We won't go reach the Mars now. They can't say fuel finish. We don't come back to Earth.
No, now one way trip. They're not they come back. They'll just go. They'll stay the Mars forever. They'll die on top there. One woman will say she don't even get 3 children.
Everybody and their own.
Go.
Everybody. Me, I don't want to go Mars. I want to go Bahamas.
Yeah. I go Bahamas for this life.
I want to go enjoy myself. All right, me now. But this guy don't shoot say, man, anything is possible.
The guy gets
anything is possible. So you wait there outside country now. You can post yourself inside a small package and come back to Nigeria.
All of una wey be say una dey abroad, una dey hustle, they live life where they substance, they watch dead body, but una package una self come as inside.
My sister, forget it. Someone wash am there. Not be everybody they won't come back.
May they come back.
Someone go they wash things. You will die there.
They will die there.
There are the days that to come here, they do the hustling for you. Here, hustling plus son plus everything.
Yeah, person don't tell me one day say better made inside Jan prison than made inside here.
The job like me, make you go be servant for heaven than to be king for hell.
Wow.
All right, so more match break for you. Sharply. We'll go come back now. We'll do laugh. All right. So let's go there like that.
Why they do like in best side? When police seize your car,
then they get one swag.
Your driving permit. You learn how to sing. I feel do that boy thing so.
Try. I don't do this thing before. They just look me like this.
If Kabuchi do that thing
one person call like light. When they light my left ear, pow! I say, bros, now joke at the joke now. But you know, you guys learn this thing for Lagos to survive many things. So
very true.
But kilo share, if I brain no kilo share, if I brain no my blow. But 2212, we gotta take
I know I like all those people. They talk. Kilo They'll run, they find bottle. Bottle they near
They
them.
go bust 12 crates. They no
They
go
no
chook one.
chook one.
They no go chook one. They
No,
like
they
the
don't
noise
get
and the
time.
hayat.
Carry bottle, chook you. Turn you to fix I use rice.
But now Igbo boy.
Yeah?
Igbo boy.
Nah.
Nah, leave this talk. Let us fight this fight. And nah, see this one. This one is chook and blow. Nah, if I give you one, it beam. Nah, you faint and die.
This one is 1 blow, 7 die.
All right, so then I love the laugh. Any pictures we get, we say we are getting a picture or something. So we'll take our pictures. Yeah.
Dump refuse.
Yeah. Dump
And
refuse
use your
here
hand
and use your hand to bury all your children. This person is evil. It's a bad somebody. When you don't reach it, like you want to throw dirty for them, like boom, you gotta remember your children.
What be this one? They use mop, they do hair. Jesus.
Oyibo can share do nonsense. They can share do nonsense. This one now for the Christmas in the making,
Ogbolor.
Husband day care center.
Wallahi, if anything make me marry person like Ogbolor.
Relax.
Now I'll carry and go.
You know, serious. Need time to yourself. Want to go shopping? Leave your husband with us. We look after him for you. You only pay for his drinks. Hey! Now me say we kill her here.
Today,
We kill her here.
You will die there.
We finish her for here today. Yeah, just leave her for us.
Don't mind your wife.
Don't mind your wife.
Now this men will say they like to chop outside.
Only forget. Some women they give person wahala. They give person wahala. You all run.
Example.
The men will all run. You understand?
Example.
I don't get example to give. Only
They
say
give
some
them
kind
wahala.
girls. Some
Now
kind girls
men know they give person wahala.
Men they give wahala. Women they say they raise hellfire come earth. Now they talk this kind of thing.
I don't tell you before. Say if you give woman, anything you give woman, she go double and
Nah lie, yo. Some
they
they born like that. Now they talk
she
nonsense.
go double the love
Forget
for you.
it.
You give her trouble, he go give you a fire. No be
Forget
say shoot bird,
it.
mama fly.
Someday when they show love, they know they used to love. They are used to violence and blowing and scratching eye and chopping ear. And this small thing, you go see man gonna do, baby, I'm sorry. No! No! No!
Why you go
Waiting.
to
That now witchcraft.
What's wrong within you?
Wait, why
By
did they
uncle?
witchcraft? Why did they witchcraft the thing like that?
You for that thing before not marry now. If I not marry, you know what say marriage.
Let me take my time. At the appointed hour.
They wait till you reach 50 years.
No.
Before you go marry.
No, no go reach like that. No go reach like that.
50 years.
No go reach like that.
You don't reach 49, so not be next year be 50. See you see 50 years.
Not there. Make I no go use my mouth talk the pause. We go pause. So if you don't continue like this, so there's a something pause. Make I not go talk out. So just you know why I tell me with smart too. I go not finish it for you. Don't try me. Don't try me.
You know when?
Before I go pause.
I reject it. I reject it.
All
you
right.
bad as he bad, I go marry producer of this show.
Sure. F young.
Sure.
He don't marry already. Not the follow married
Never
man.
marry.
You are a young
I
girl.
reject it. He never marry.
Okay. All right. Mona follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI PADI. Mona reach Mona give us comment on top all the gist we don't gist today and how you are feeling the show. All right. We don't pass 700 now for Twitter. Una too much. All right. So Olive, give them one final making sense gist.
Waiting I want tell you now, my fellow women, make una know say waiting una whatever una want for this life, me nothing hold una down. Una feel be the best at whatever una decide to do for una workplace, for una marriage, and make una know say excellence na the keyword. Until then, happy International Women's Day. We happened yesterday. We see the spirit from me to you.
He don't do. Happy International Women's Day. Una well done. All the women for this life, we throw a salute to all of una. Una yes. They try. If not be all una, we not go there yet.
Thank God say you agree.
Some of them are necessary evil. Una all day there share, but we should go share the So from all of us for here, we go say bye bye to una.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow and every.
You too dirty. Why